Good morning, everyone. As we all know, the meteorological and climate domain has a value chain from those organisations who work upstream, providing observational data, those organisations who do modelling, all the way through to end users. And of course, we as an organisation work in the upstream area. And obviously what we like to think of as a critical role, but it is upstream. Now, all of the investment that organizations like us have, if the things that we do on the value chain don't end up with people somewhere making a decision where that decision means that the outcomes are better, that lives are saved or property is saved or better decisions are made, if that doesn't happen, actually we're wasting the massive investment in upstream activities. And that's why those people who are at the sharp end, forecasters, journalists, play an absolutely crucial role. And you see this in communication around climate change, around general weather forecasting, about severe weather warnings. And from my own experience working as Director of Forecasting in the UK and working with journalists, particularly at the BBC. I've seen how journalism and forecasters can help people understand really difficult issues to do with forecasting, to help them understand uncertainty, actually to educate people, to communicate better. So I've seen the fundamental role that the media can have. So because of that, I'm absolutely delighted that we're hosting this meeting. I hope while you're here, you get a chance to understand a little bit more about what we do. And for some of you, I hope to see you again. But we're really pleased and honoured to have you here. And I just wish you all a successful meeting. And I hope it's as interesting, as successful as I'm sure it will be. So thank you very much.